How to save photos on TikTok? Well, it's a very simple and a quick process, so without further ado, let's move into the video. First thing first, what you want to do is, you have to make sure that you are running the latest version of the app TikTok. If not, head over to your app store and then update it. Once you've got the latest version, simply open the app. Make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this For You page. Now in here, scroll down and search for the photos that you want to save. If you couldn't find it in the For You page, then tap on the search icon and then search for Photos Wallpaper. Tons of different videos will be visible to you. Head over to any of the video for now. Now if you swipe left, tons of different photos will be available to you. From here, if you want to save any one of it, then what you want to do is move into the picture and then tap and hold the screen. You'll get to see the option of Save Photo. Click on it. Now from here, choose the photos that you want to save it into your gallery. Once you've selected, tap on Save at the bottom right corner of the screen. Wait for a while for it to save. And there you go, the photos has been successfully saved into your gallery. You can simply move into your gallery and then check it out. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can save photos on TikTok. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.